What's up, guys? It's Keith Trades. Today we're going to go over June 21st, Friday's full days analysis, the trades behind it, and then the live callouts from the Discord. All right, so coming into the session, let's look at our pre-market plan. Right, you're going to get a long plan and you're going to get a short plan. One of these is likely to happen. It's your job to sit back and wait for it. Today, the short plan hit right off the open. Right, I said we took buy side in the 1 hour and market structure shift, and we delivered lower already. Right, I said we formed another 1 hour SIBI. If we see the internal high sweep, find a breakdown model, I want to see 19,947 and then 19,903. All right, let's go on the charts. Our 1 hour time frame. Right, that start was this place here. Right, we ended up coming in to this 1 hour, taking buy side, respecting and delivering lower. So what am I looking for now? Right, I'm looking for that continuation model short. Right, here is the 1 hour fair value gap that we are looking at. Now I was looking for the internal high sweep and break down to what levels. 19,047 is just this low, pre-market low, and then 19,903 is a daily low to fill the gap here. Right, coming into the market open, right, we got exactly that. Right, we drove right into the 1 hour fair value gap. We see the internal high sweep, and then we see the breakdown model. Right, respected fair value gap here. Right, your short entry would be here. Right, and on a higher time frame, right, we had a 5-minute fair value gap respect. Right, this is exactly what I look to see for a continuation model. Right, 5-minute displacement, 5-minute fair value gap respect. Why did I not take this trade? Is because we had news hit at 6:45. So I do not want to enter before news because it could just be bullish news and just destroy me, or it could just, do a multitude of things. So I want to stay patient. 6:45 hits. My entry was passed, so it was totally fine. We delivered lower, and I missed out on that. Right, coming in, right, I was looking at a 15-minute fair value gap. I said if we break down from here, or if not, we run the 20,045 high. Right, so here's the 15-minute fair value gap I'm looking at. Right, classic continuation. If we come into this fair value gap and respect, we're likely to run lower. Right, if not, we just place through, act as inverse, and do what? Run higher. Right, understanding that, we formed a bullish 15-minute fair value gap here. Right, and the 20,045 high is very simple. If we fail to displace and deliver lower, right, we're likely to hit what? The opening day's high, or on the day. 20,045 high here. Right, you can get the internal model entries here, right, which are longs at this fair value gap, but I stayed patient, right? I wasn't on at the time, but likely what you would see is us break 15-minute structure to the upside, and then you would see us come back into the 15-minute respect and get an entry at this 1-minute fair value gap or at this inverse point here. One of the two to target what point? 20,045 high with decent delivery. I wasn't on the time. I called it out, but I didn't take the setup. Right, as you see, I called it out. At 7:49, nothing respected, insufficient action. Right, so I hopped off. Right, I hopped off around here, never really got anything. But I did end up taking 2 trades, 2 short scalps, and the fills are on the Keep Trades IG, and then let's go over what I got. So 20,045 high gets swept. Right, understanding that if we sweep this high, then we would deliver to what target next? 20,086 buy side. Right, we never delivered higher. So when we come to see a breakdown model, we're likely to hunt what? Internal lows and these lows. Right, likely to hunt the closest lows. So we see an external buy side sweep. We see an internal sweep here. Right, what do we start to see next that tell me that shorts are going to come in? 1-minute fair value gap gets respected. We market structure shift below these lows, and then we see a 5-minute market structure shift. Right? On a bullish model, what do you want to see? This 5-minute fair value gap get respected and we draw higher. Right? Never happens. So when we close below, I'm saying, okay, bullish fair value gaps aren't getting respected. I'm looking short now. So coming on the 1-minute time frame, right when we close below, I took the first fair value gap short in this 1 minute. Right, stop was at this wick high for 11 points. First price target was here for around 26 points. Right, price target 2 was this low. I ended up scaling here, stopped to break even. The res kit stopped at our break even, and then we end up running lower. Right, and as we run lower, we do what? We create a 5-minute fair value gap here. I got my second short entry on a fail to a price in this area of interest here. I saw a buy model start to come up. We fail to a price, and I get short at the 76s on this candle here. I'm in short here, and I'm playing this market loosely. right? I want to see the low on the, I want to see these lows, right? The low on the day and further, but understand that the market has been very inefficient and slow. I just stay patient, right? Respected fair value gap here. I'm still in. Once we crack through this fair value gap and not respect, okay, I say, okay, action is insufficient. So I get out. I'm in short at the 76s, right? And I get out here at the close above. I get out for 18 points. So 25 points short here, 18 points here, totally fine scalp. In hindsight, I did not play this market the best, right? I should have said, okay, let me stay patient and not take this intro. Let me hold because I know that this swing low is not going to get hit. Right, I short here, I let the market do its thing, and then I execute here, and then the rest gets stopped out in profit. That's what should have happened. Totally fine. Take two great trades. But that's today's June 21st. My fault. Yesterday's June 21st. The trades and the recap. And thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it and leave a like as well. Thank you guys for watching.